474 minus 185 equals? Answer is 289. 597 plus 602 equals? Answer is 1199. What is the expanded form of 219? Answer is 200 plus 10 plus 9. 721 minus 683 equals? Answer is 38. In 217, what is the tens digit? Answer is 1. Round 921 to the nearest 10. Answer is 920. What is the expanded form of 344? Answer is 300 plus 40 plus 4. What is the expanded form of 220? Answer is 200 plus 20 plus 0. 17 minus 6 equals? Answer is 11. 17 minus 4 equals? Answer is 13. 7 plus 5 equals? Answer is 12. Round 767 to the nearest 10. Answer is 770. 51 plus 13 equals? Answer is 64. Round 1209 to the nearest 100. Answer is 1200. In 8443, what is the ones digit? Answer is 3. 6 minus 2 equals? Answer is 4. 12 minus 1 equals? Answer is 11. What is the expanded form of 753? Answer is 700 plus 50 plus 3. 445 minus 402 equals? Answer is 43. 528 plus 756 equals? Answer is 1284.